In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on Monopoly Go by username. I'm gonna show you the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Monopoly Go app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Make sure that you are logged into your account. In this home interface, at the top right corner, you can see the three lines icon. Tap on it. Now at the bottom, you can see the settings option. Tap on it. In this settings menu, right above this manage account button, you can see your user ID, but in Monopoly Go, you cannot add anyone from the user ID or the username. The only way you can add friends on Monopoly Go is in this home interface. At the bottom right corner, you can see the friends icon. Tap on it. In this section, you can see different add friends option. At the bottom, you can add friends through your contacts. You can send the invitation link over here. And at the top, you can see your friend code. Similarly, everyone who plays this game will have the friend code, so you can use the friend code in order to add them. You can copy this friend code, and from another account, if you go to the search bar, you can enter the friend code over here, and that's how you can send a friend request to add them. If you click on this invite option, you'll get an invitation link that you can send to your friends. If you tap on invite again, it'll generate the invitation link, and now you can share it with anyone through your contacts. So that's it. That's how you can easily add friends on Monopoly by their username, the invite link, and their friend code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.